Hold on, we gotta do a thumbnail. Okay.
Yo expert. Burn your belly. Some boy go lose their gal.
Hi guys, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have the privilege to be working with Jaja Hair. So this hair company is on Amazon. I highly suggest that you guys invest in Amazon Prime because then you get your packages within like 2-3 business days. 2-3 days actually. And it just came. It took about 3 days and I'm going to unbox it on camera for you guys. So standard packaging, it's really big. This is about the size of it. As I ordered a 12-inch full length or frontal bob. Nice and pretty. I love white and pink. 12 inches stretched length. So I took the hair out and this is what's inside of the box. Jaja Hair. And this is on the other side. And these lashes. So this is the front. This is the inside. And this is the back of the hair. Oh my gosh, if this is black, I'm going to cry. I love black hair. Like for this hair, I had to dip dye it jet black because I do not like almost brown hair on me. What difference? Oh my gosh, you guys don't understand. I love that this is already dark hair. This is black. This is black. Okay, and I love that. I was already going to dip dye this jet black and I'm so happy that I don't have to. Of course, you guys have the parting space in the front and a little bit in the back. Here is what the middle looks like. It pretty much just looks like tracks. So you see the end of the frontal right here and in the middle of the wig here. It's pretty much tracks. I love how this hair feels. I love the density. I will have the links and everything down below. I love how quick it came. I just love everything about this hair. I'm not too happy about the fillers at the top. I do not like fillers at all. However, I've received worse hair with worse fillers. And I appreciate the fact that the frontal hair at the front goes all the way down here. You guys see that? The hair at the front go all the way down here. Usually hair would go and then the very top length would stop like right here and then it would go down and down, down. Like, okay, so the hair at the top, it would be the same length as the hair that's down here. So side by side, this would seem shorter than the one at the bottom. But it doesn't seem like that for this hair and I love that. This is the hair from the frontal. Pull up, baby, pull on me. This is the movement. I love that it's already a brown tint, so if I were to put this on, it would pretty much match with me. It is so silky smooth, you guys. Like how it looks is how it feels. Look at this. This is like amazing. I'm happy. I cannot wait to try this on, you guys. In case I forget, check the links and everything. It will be down below. So you guys, I finally got myself some gloves. I will be using BW2 bleach as always, as well as 30 volume developer. You can also use 40, but 30 I feel is less harsh. You will also need a plastic mixing bowl, and I have a wooden spoon to mix it with. So here I'm just going to show you guys how I make my consistency. So the first thing that I do is I'm going to take about 2 spoons of powder. Some people only use 1, but I use 2 just to be sure. Make sure you have your gloves on for this part because the bleach does burn. So I'm going to take 2 spoons of that. I'm going to put the top back on because this stuff is really harsh to inhale. And then I'm going to pour some in. And you want a consistency like toothpaste. So guys, again, I'm just showing you the interior of this wig. Of course, you have the middle part and little to no side parting and some parting in the back and tracks in the middle. This is the consistency, and basically when I put this on, I just rest it at the top and I start in the middle and I make sure that I do around the edges first. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to work from the middle towards my edges, and then I'm going to fill everything else in throughout the video. I left that on for about 15 minutes and I'm about to wash it off with my Shimmer Light shampoo. This tones out color, so it will take out the brassiness of the frontal. So after washing it, I'm going to let it sit in the lather for about 5 minutes.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
So now I'm going to tint the frontal. So you will need a cup, some salt, and I'm just going to pour some salt into this cup. You could use a cup or a bowl, whatever can hold water. I'm going to run some hot water into this so that the salt can disintegrate. And then I'm going to take some honey brown and I'm just going to pour it right in. I'm going to get a spoon, I'm going to mix it, and then I'm going to rest my frontal in this for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it off. Alright, this is the fun part. We are now going to pluck. As you can see, it's already a little bit pre-plucked, but you know, it doesn't look natural enough for me. So I'm going to get my tweezers. Oh, I'm going to get the, okay, here. And basically when I pluck my hairline, I like to do it in sections. So I like to do one part, I like to skip some hair, another part, skip some hair, so that it doesn't look so crazy. So you're gonna see me do that constantly throughout the video. I pluck in sections. So here I'm just going over any parts that I feel I didn't pluck enough out of. And I'm just going at the hairline again just to thin it out so that it doesn't look too in and out, in and out. So you guys, plucking the hairline is not enough. You guys know that we have to get behind it as well. So I'm going to part the hair in the front, and as you can see, there is a whole other hairline behind here. So I'm going to do the same exact thing to the hair back here with the same zigzag, except you guys will see me struggle just a little bit because there is a bit more hair, but it is the exact same pattern. So I've decided that I want this hair in the front to be my baby hairs. So I'm just going to pull it towards me and I'm just going to thin this out by plucking just a little bit. So you guys, this is a finished look without the ring light, and honestly it looks super realistic, and this is why I love this technique. The in and out really does it for me because it really looks like scalp. So this is that side and this is how the other side looks. So you guys can see it is a big difference. And so we're just going to get started on this side now. We're going to comb the hair back and do the same exact thing that we did on the last side. So we're just going to do the same zigzag motion to the front and then part it and then do the same zigzag motion in the back.
The new sound of the 80s. Suddenly you hear it everywhere. It's all beat and all talk. It tells you a story and makes you want to dance. Steve Fox examines an overnight phenomenon, rapping to the beat.
So this side was a bit more difficult because it was as if the hair kept wanting to fall down instead of pulling back. So I tried to be careful with this side, but like I said, if your frontal is not like this, then you'll be perfectly fine. Just do the same exact thing that you did on the other side. But this frontal specifically was weird. Like all the hair was trying to lay flat instead of being pulled back. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look, and if you guys want to see a part 2 on how I styled and reviewed this hair, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.